Hello friends, I CMA Sangeet Saurabh has started this YouTube channel Sarkari Finance Job Portal for the budding aspirants who are trying to excel their careers for government jobs or PSUs. This channel will be extremely helpful to the aspirants like BCom, MCom, CA Inter, CMA Inter, CA, CMA, CS, MBA Finance and LLBs who will receive latest गवर्नमेंट जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस एवरी वीक। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो आपसे अनुरोध है कि कृपया करके हमारे वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि कोई भी सरकारी नौकरी की वैकेंसी अलर्ट आपसे छूट न जाए। बाय दिस आई एम स्टार्टिंग द फर्स्ट गवर्नमेंट जॉब अपडेट। द फर्स्ट गवर्नमेंट जॉब अपडेट इज फ्रॉम गेल गैस लिमिटेड। नेम ऑफ द पोस्ट इज सीनियर एसोसिएट फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंट्स। Total number of posts is 6, out of which for general category it's 5 और OBC के लिए एक सीट है। एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन इज CA और CMA और फुल टाइम MBA फाइनेंस विथ 50% मार्क्स। मोड ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन विल बी रिटन टेस्ट एंड पर्सनल इंटरव्यू। सैलरी पर मंथ वुड बी 60,000 रुपीज consolidated. Experience 2-year post qualification experience is required. And the nature of employment is contractual. Age limit for unreserved is 32 years, for OBC 35 years, for ST/SC 37 years, and for PWD it's 42 years. Application fee for unreserved category OBC and EWS is ₹100 and nil for ST/SC and PWD. And the last date of application is 10th of April 2023. Another vacancy has also came from Gas Gale Limited. Name of the post is Senior Associate Company Secretary. Total number of posts is 2. Educational qualification is Company Secretary. Mode of examination would be written test and personal interview. Salary per month would be 60,000 rupees and that would be consolidated. Experience would be 2 years post qualification experience. Nature of employment is contractual. Age limit is 32 years. Application fee is ₹100 and the last date of application is 10th April 2023. Vacancy number 3. It has came from Assam Gas Company Limited. पोस्ट का नाम है असिस्टेंट मैनेजर फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंट्स। टोटल नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट इज 2। एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन इज चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट और कॉस्ट एंड मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटेंट। मोड ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन वुड बी पर्सनल इंटरव्यू। Salary per month would be ₹30,000 to ₹1,10,000 with grade pay of ₹14,500 per month. Experience required is 5 years post qualification experience. Nature of employment is permanent. Age limit is 35 years. Application fee nil है इसमें और last date of application है 3rd of April 2023. वैकेंसी नंबर 4 आई है फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इलेक्ट्रिक पावर कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड। नेम ऑफ द पोस्ट इज एग्जीक्यूटिव ट्रेनी फाइनेंस। टोटल नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट इज 8, आउट ऑफ विच 4 इज फॉर अनरिजर्व्ड। ओबीसी के लिए एक सीट है, एससी के लिए 2 सीट है और शेड्यूल ट्राइब के लिए एक सीट है। एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन इसमें भी CA/CMA। मोड ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन इज पर्सनल इंटरव्यू। Salary per month would be ₹50,000 to ₹1,60,000 with 3% annual increment. Experience nil. Nature of employment permanent और एज लिमिट अनरिजर्व्ड और EWS के लिए 30 years है, OBC के लिए 33 years है, ST/SC के लिए 35 years और PWD के लिए 40 years है। एप्लीकेशन फी इज ₹560 फॉर अनरिजर्व्ड OBC एंड EWS और नील है ST/SC और PWD के लिए। द लास्ट डेट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन इज 4th of April 2023. Vacancy number 5 has also came from the same organization, North Eastern Electric Power Corporation Limited. Name of the post is Assistant Company Secretary Trainee. Number of post is 1. Education qualification is graduate with Company Secretary and having membership of ICSI. And the desirable qualification is LLB. Mode of examination would be personal interview. Salary per month is rupees 50,000 to rupees 1,60,000 per month with 3% annual increment. Experience required is 1 to 2 years. Experience is desirable. Nature of employment is permanent. एज लिमिट 30 साल है. एप्लीकेशन फी इज ₹560 और लास्ट डेट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन 4 अप्रैल 2023 है. वैकेंसी नंबर 6 आई है REC लिमिटेड से. नेम ऑफ द पोस्ट इज ऑफिसर फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंट्स. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट 34 है, जिसमें से कि 15 सीट जनरल के लिए है, 9 सीट्स OBC के लिए है, EWS के लिए 3 है, SC के लिए 5 है और ST के लिए 2 सीट्स है. एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन इसमें भी CA या CMA फाइनल पास चाहिए. मोड ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन इज रिटन टेस्ट एंड इंटरव्यू. सैलरी पर मंथ इज 50,000 रुपीज टू 1,60,000 रुपीज. Experience required is 3 years post qualification executive experience with rupees 10 lakh CTC per annum. Nature of employment permanent है. Age limit is 33 years. Application fee is rupees 1,000 for unreserved OBC and EWS and nil for ST, SC, PWD and internal candidates of REC Limited. Last date of application is 15th of April 2023. वैकेंसी नंबर 7 भी आई है REC लिमिटेड से ही. नेम ऑफ द पोस्ट इज ऑफिसर कंपनी सेक्रेटरी. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट इज 1. एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन इज ग्रेजुएट विथ एसोसिएट और फेलो मेंबरशिप ऑफ ICSI. मोड ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन इज रिटन टेस्ट एंड इंटरव्यू. सैलरी पर मंथ इज ₹50,000 to ₹1,60,000. Experience is 3 years post qualification executive experience with ₹10 lakh CTC per annum. Nature of employment permanent है. Age limit is 33 years. Application fee ₹1,000 और last date of application is 15th of April 2023. The next vacancy has came from same organization REC Limited. Name of the post is officer law. Total number of post is 2. Education qualification is LLB 3 years or 5 years integrated LLB with first division from recognized university. Mode of examination is written test and interview. Salary per month is ₹50,000 to ₹1,60,000. Experience 3 years post qualification executive experience with ₹10 lakh CTC per annum. Nature of employment permanent है. Age limit 33 years है. Application fee is ₹1,000 and the last date of application is 15th of April 2023. Another vacancy has came from FDDI, that is Footwear Design and Development Institute. Name of the post is Assistant Manager Finance and Accounts. Total number of post is 4. Education qualification is CA, CMA, MBA Finance or MCOM with 55% marks with GCA. Mode of exam is written test or interview. Salary per month is ₹40,000. Experience required is 3 years in accounts, audit, finance of government, PSU, semi-government or private company. Nature of employment is contractual. Age limit is 33 years. Application fee is ₹500 and the last date of application is 12th of April 2023. Vacancy number 10 has came from MP Rajya Sahakari Bank Maryadit. Name of the post is Financial Analyst Senior Management Grade 2. Total number of post is 35. Education qualification required is CA, CMA or MBA Finance with 60% marks. Mode of examination is written test and interview. Salary per month is ₹42,700 to ₹1,35,100. Experience required is nil. Nature of employment is permanent. Age limit 40 years. Application fee ₹500 for unreserved OBC and EWS और ST, SC, PWD के लिए ₹250. लास्ट डेट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन इज 9th of April 2023. वैकेंसी नंबर 11 भी आई है सेम इंस्टीट्यूशन से ही, MP राज्य सहकारी बैंक मर्यादित. नेम ऑफ द पोस्ट इज अकाउंटेंट मिडिल मैनेजमेंट ग्रेड 2. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट इज 38 आउट ऑफ विच फॉर अनरिजर्व्ड इट्स 21. OBC के लिए 8 सीट है, SC के लिए 1 सीट और ST के लिए 8 सीट है. Education qualification is MBA Finance with 60% marks or MCOM with 60% marks with having statistic as a paper. Mode of examination would be written test and interview. Salary per month is rupees 32,800 to 1,03,600. Experience required is nil. Nature of employment is permanent. Age limit is 40 years. Application fee is rupees 500 for unreserved OBC EWS and rupees 250 for ST, SC and PWD. Last date of application is 9th of April 2023. Vacancy number 12. It has also came from the same organization, MP Rajya Sahkari Bank Maryadit. Name of the post is Branch Manager Middle Management Grade 1. Total number of posts is 361, out of which 135 seat is for unreserved, 78 seat for OBC, 48 seat for SC, 78 seat for ST, 23 post for EWS and 5 seat for PWD. Education qualification required is MBA Finance with 60% marks from recognized university. Mode of examination is written test and interview. Salary per month is 36,200 to 1,14,800. Experience required is nil. Nature of employment is permanent. Age limit is 40 years. Application fee is rupees 500 for unreserved OBC EWS and rupees 250 for ST, SC and PWD. Last date of application is 9th of April 2023. Vacancy number 13 has also came from the same organization, MP Rajya Sahkari Bank Maryadit. Name of the post is Internal Auditor Senior Management Grade 2. Total number of post is 25. Educational qualification is CA, CMA or MBA Finance with 60% marks. Mode of examination is written test and interview. Salary per month is rupees 42,700 to 1,35,100. Experience required is nil. Nature of employment is permanent. Age limit is 40 years. Application fee is rupees 500 and the last date of application is 9th of April 2023. Vacancy number 14. It has came from Bameti, Bihar Agriculture Management and Extension Training Institute. Name of the post is accountant. Total number of post is 160. Education qualification required is BCom. Mode of examination is counseling of shortlisted candidates based on qualification and experience and no written test. Salary per month would be rupees 22,500. Experience required is 3 years experience in accounts work of government, PSU, university or institutions. Nature of employment contractual. Age limit is 37 years. Application fee is nil and the last date of application is 15th April 2023. And the last vacancy has came from Chandigarh Administration Local Audit Department. Name of the post is Junior Auditor. Total number of posts is 29. Education qualification required is BCom, BBA or Bachelor of Business Studies, that is BBS, and the desirable qualification is CMA, MBA Finance, PGDM Finance, MCOM with certificate course in computer. Mode of examination would be written test and interview. Salary per month would be rupees 35,400. Experience required is nil. Nature of employment is permanent. And the age limit for general and EWS is 37 years. For OBC it's 40 years. For SC 42 years. For PWD OBC it's 50 years. Application fee for unreserved and OBC is rupees 1000. SC और EWS के लिए rupees 500 और PWD के लिए nil है. The last date of application is 5th of April 2023. By this, I would like to wind up this government job alert video. I hope this video will be help all the budding government job aspirants. All the best.